Hey everybody, it's Angie from Trips with Angie. Your Excel Suite experience on the Carnival Jubilee begins in this lounge. When you arrive at the Galveston terminal, you'll have expedited lines to get you here to the lounge. Then you'll be among the first to board. This video is a review of cabin 10209, a forward-facing Excel Suite. You'll enter the room into the living room portion of the suite. Someone can sleep here on that sofa. You have a desk area that doubles as a vanity. You have plenty of plugs, so 3 North American plugs, 4 USB plugs. There's a closet for the person sleeping out here, so it has short hanging storage and 3 drawers. The cabin steward will come and greet you right away and can help you get all of the bedding and any other items you may need to make your stay more comfortable. On this side, we have 4 drawers, including the hairdryer is in one of them, a small mini fridge, a sink. You do get bottles of water included in the suite as a gift for staying in a suite. Here is the bathroom. So a great size shower. It does come with shampoo, conditioner, bath gel, obviously your toilet, and the sink area. There is only 1 sink. I know some of us suite lovers like 2 sinks, but there's only 1. And then there's another door that heads into the bedroom. So king size bed here. You have a separate television there, full length mirror, and then more closet space. So there's 2 closets here. So you have an option of the short storage with the shelves and drawers, or you have longer storage, but you can make it short if you need to. There are drawers, the shelves you can pull down. Bathrobes are included, and again, you can customize that part of the closet as well. And heading back out, we'll check out the balcony. So this is forward facing, so it's all the way at the front of the ship. So you have the steel bottom because you can't have the glass bottom because the wind is just too strong. The lock is up at the top to keep it away from kids. So there's 2 chairs here looking out over the front of the ship. And then around the side here, we'll have some additional furniture. You can fit a lot of people out here, but it's kind of a tight squeeze getting around the corner here. So you have a rocking chair, the 2 chairs, another table, another rocking chair, and a chaise. The one downside is that when you're sitting in the chairs, you can't see out. You can't see the ocean, but it is shaded and very private. One of the perks we loved about the Excel Suite was the room service is included. Usually for other guests, it has an extra charge. We absolutely loved the breakfast sandwiches, especially the turkey one. We got chicken wings delivered. The movies are also included, so we had a nice little movie afternoon, and the specialty pizzas are included. We had it delivered to Loft 19. So what's Loft 19? Loft 19 is an exclusive area for suite guests and those who rent a cabana. It's located on deck 19 forward. So the easiest way to get there is to take the forward elevators to deck 18, then walk up the stairs. You will get a wristband in the cabin that shows that you belong here. They have crew members that are there to help you get your chair set up. You can see the chairs are a little bit nicer. They have that extra foam. You may have already seen this in my Carnival Jubilee ship tour. Hopefully you watch that. Be sure to subscribe to see all of my ship tours. Here are the cabanas. Now, anyone can rent a cabana. You don't need to be a suite guest to rent a cabana. It has different pricing for sea days and port days. Here in Loft 19, they have 2 large whirlpools. We thought they were way too hot for the temperature of the cruise we were on. And then you look down over Serenity. So as we kind of go around and you get the view of Loft 19, I will answer the question, is it worth it? I think it's important to note that the suites on Carnival don't have as many amenities or exclusive things as suites on other cruise line. There's no restaurant just for suite guests. There's no lounge just for suite guests. Now, the cabin was awesome. Having all of that extra space was incredible. It made it so comfortable. I would not get a forward facing again. It is kind of a bummer to be sitting on your balcony and not be able to see the ocean. I would pay a little bit more and get the aft facing to have the much better view. I really use the room service perk a lot more than I thought I would. And that ended up having a real financial value for us, being able to deliver food to Loft 19 and have it included, having food delivered to the cabin and having it included was really nice. I did miss having exclusive dining, calmer, kind of less chaotic experience would have been nice. So would I do it again? Yes, absolutely. But I don't think it's a must do. I think we could book a balcony cabin and then get a cabana for a couple days during the sailing and save a little bit of money and still have that exclusive experience and just not have quite as large of a cabin. What do you think? Have you sailed in an Excel suite on Carnival? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you think it was worth it?